Hello, my name is Hye-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bo-soo, we will cover the subject about the annual leave. There was an inquiry from our client regarding whether to allow the annual leave or refuse to the employee who are requesting the annual leave, especially during the long holiday of Chuseok in October. So could you let us know under the Labor Standard Act, what is the standard rule, please?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. So we will have a Chuseok, the Thanksgiving holidays is start October 3rd to it will be finished October 9th. So also if they take 1 day off, then they may have 10 days. When they take a Friday off, then Saturday, Sunday, then they'll take 10 days straightly for the special leave. Yeah. So my client, corporate client, asked me, so during the holidays, 1 day, 1 working day is placed between the holidays. So is it possible for employee to request the annual leave on the October 10th? So in this case, company can reject their request for using taking a day off on October 10th. So my answer is yes, it is possible. However, company should explain the reason why company reject this this granting annual leave to this employee. So according to Article 60, it is about annual paid leave. So when employee requests the use of annual leave, then employee should provide that paid annual leave on the requested day. However, when company have urgent or very necessary operation duty during that period, then company reject the time of the annual leave, then company can give the other time for the employee to use. So that is employee right to change the date of annual paid leave. Yeah. So basically, company should explain why company cannot grant on the day they requested for annual leave. So when company has some necessary reason to operate their business on those particular day, then it is possible. However, as far as possible, it is a good idea for company to provide long-term leave. So even though the working day between leave days, then company can take those 1 working day as a leave based on mutual agreement with the employee representative. So this is some one way for company to promote the use of annual leave. When company usually every workers will be given granted the annual leave for minimum 15 days to up to the 25 days. So if they cannot use their available annual leave, company should compensate for the unused annual leave. So it will be a very huge labor cost. So when company reduce those labor costs, at the same time, company provide naturally the annual leave during the special holidays in Korea, like Thanksgiving holiday, New Year's holiday. Then workers will feel very proud, or they feel encouraged, because usually families got together from very different areas. So that means those leave days will give them more satisfied time. So it's better for company to promote the use of annual leave during those the holiday seasons. So yeah, this is my opinion. So basically, when my retained client asked whether company can reject the granting the annual paid leave on working day, October 10th. Yeah, it is possible by using some natural reason to change their the time of annual paid leave. So, however, in order to promote the use of the annual leave, those days are more necessary for company to promote the use of annual leave. Then company can reduce the labor cost because workers use the annual leave. Then company doesn't have to pay the compensation for unused annual leave. At the same time, company can promote the morale of their workers because those necessary time is what the employee want to take a longer leave. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Especially this year, during the Chuseok is a very long holiday, and if you can allow the annual leave on the 10th of October, then the employee can rest and take care of it for almost 10 days. So you are saying that it's both efficient, not only for the employer but for the employee to take the annual leave during that period?
Yes, that's right. Yeah. So I think every employee will be granted the paid annual leave, so they can use the annual leave from 15 days to the maximum 25 days. So if employee cannot use their annual leave days, then company should compensate all those unused annual leave days. So it will be another labor cost. So company can promote the using of annual leave during those necessary time. Then company can reduce labor cost. At the same time, company promote their their morale or their kind of company can satisfy their necessity of using annual leave more, because if they use a long annual leave days, then they can find some cultural life, or they can take advantage of more those holiday season with their family members. Yeah. So it will be win-win way. So I think a company without adding any labor cost, company can give more benefit to their workers. So I think it is necessary to promoting use of annual leave intensively during holiday season. So if they try to promote use of annual leave just in December, or according to the promotion of annual leave, I think they will not get a good result. It's better to focus on those seasonal or especially traditional holiday period. Then company can they'll get more. The workers feel more benefit for them to use those annual leaves in necessary time. Yeah.
I see. I can understand, but it depends on what kind of job the staff is doing. As you said, some companies will be beneficial for the employee to take the annual leave at that date. But some companies, if there is an urgent task to do, maybe it's difficult to allow the annual leave. Do you agree?
Yes, it depends on the types of business. Like a retail shop, they need to open their own business on those holiday season. So maybe some granting more annual leave during those traditional holidays, it should be related to the white collar workers or some production workers rather than retail shop or some the department store or kind of sales job, but the other jobs are necessary. So company should consider the job requirement for such a business. Then company can manipulate those annual leaves. So I think in Korea many people do not think of some granting longer leave, but when employee they allowed to take a longer leave like 30 weeks period or 4 weeks period, I think employee can take a really good intensive the holiday leave, like they can take a family trip to abroad, or they can take some intensive time in family the event. So I think it is very recommended for the Korean company to use annual leave by granting them the longer leave days.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.